Hey everyone, so today I'm going to attempt my first 3D character. I want to try to do my melody. I think this is my melody, so I want to try to do my melody, but I want it to be like Halloween themed. So I want it kind of like this, except I don't want the pumpkin face in the middle. I want her face in the middle, and I want her to be like in a pumpkin costume. So, anyways, those are the two inspo picks. This was just off of Timu. And then this is Citronale, and this is actually Cinema Roll Halloween. So anyways, so yeah, so we are going to be trying to do that. The products that we are going to be using is the Chris Clay 3D gel. This is by Crisania Neri. So anyways, so we're going to be using this lime sorbet for the little like the little stem on the pumpkin. That's what we're going to use for the stem. And then we're using orange for the pumpkin, and then for her face we're going to be using the nude pink. And then also I'm going to be using the silicone tools from her shop. I had purchased all of this like probably 2 or 3 months ago. We're also going to be using one of the cute little candy charms because it is, supposed to be for Halloween. And then I'm going to be using a couple of these different Morta. Is that how you say it? Morta, Mordda palettes. I had purchased these off of Timu, so this will be my first time using these. So I just pulled a few of them because I'm just looking for like a pink like that goes underneath her eyes, the black for her eyes. I think the pink is like supposed to be her cheeks, and then like a color for her mouth. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, guys, so this is how she ended up turning out. So I don't really think she looks like my Melody. I do think she's cute. I do like her. She did turn out to be bigger than I was wanting her to be. So she is like way big. So that is like, she is like really big. But I think she's cute. I will go ahead and put her someplace in my studio. I definitely need more practice. You might be able to see a little bit of black. I was going to do like, you know, like how the pumpkins have like the look of the, I don't know what you call it, but those lines that go on the pumpkins. So I was thinking doing it in black, but then she ended up looking like a tiger. So that was not going to work. I guess I could have made her a tiger for Halloween, but then she has a stem on top of her head, so I don't know. But anyways, I still think she looks cute. She doesn't necessarily look like my Melody, but she is cute. I do think that she's cute. So anyways, just wanted to bring you along my journey of my first attempt of doing a 3D, I guess it's a 3D character. But anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Be nice, because this was my first time doing a 3D character. I did do a 3D flower, but I didn't show you guys how I did it. That actually turned out okay. But anyways, yeah, so I think I just need some more practice. I need to figure out the shaping of her head, because this is just not what I was thinking. So like, that compared to that, it's not, I mean, it's still cute. Okay, so like if you put this on here, it's still cute. I mean, she is cute. So, you know, I mean, so she is cute. She just doesn't look like her. Anyways, but still, I mean, you know, she's still cute. I still think she kind of maybe a little bit resembles them, possibly. I don't know. It was fun making her, and I'm gonna try to practice some more so I can get better at it, because I really would like to try to do my own 3D charms. I don't know. I have all those silicone molds, but I started watching videos on people doing their own 3D charms, and so now I'm into that. But anyways, yeah, so leave me comments, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.